What's up? Okay, today we're going to change the oil in your Harley Davidson Sportster. Very simple process. Really all you need is a flathead screwdriver as well as a new oil filter and new oil, of course. If you'd like to check out my other videos I'm in the process of, or actually already have a couple other videos up about Harley Davidson. I have one about changing the handlebars. I have one about extending the brake cables, clutch cables, throttle cables. Also have one about extending the wiring, as well as changing the primary fluid, which a lot of people don't know about. Another video I have is about relocating your speedometer and making it look nice and like it's factory. All of these videos are done with a 2007 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 XL low. However, most Harley Davidsons are very similar, so I'm sure they'll be helpful. Also, please like my video, leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a question. And if you'd like, subscribe to my channel. I have put out a bunch of different videos ranging from a variety of different things. But let's do it. I'm using AMSOIL V-Twin 20W50. Now this is synthetic. Once you use synthetic oil, you cannot go back to regular oil. You have to continue using synthetic oil. Just so you can see it better, that's the oil I'm going to be using. I have a gallon here, but it usually takes probably 3 quarts, 3.5 possibly. I'm probably going to end up using most of it, but once I get towards the end, I'll just put a little bit in and keep checking the oil levels. So when I'm changing oil, I like to go ahead and pop out this dipstick. That way air will flow through it and the oil will come out nicely. And make sure you have an oil pan ready, because you don't want to get oil everywhere. Alright, it's kind of hard to see, but to change the oil, all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. That nozzle is where the oil is going to come out, and there's a clamp on it that takes a flathead screwdriver, but you're going to unscrew that clamp and then pull that plug out. And once you do that, the oil is going to start draining out. It might be kind of difficult to see because it's so small, but I think I got the clamp loose enough, so. Now I'm using a K&N oil filter. You can use whatever you like. So I've actually already changed the oil filter. This is the old one. This one did not have, as you can see, this one has this nut right here that you can take it off with a wrench. So if you have an oil filter without this, as you can see, this one's just plain. You got to use like vice grips or just whatever you can to grab enough to twist it off. It's very simple. All you do, take your wrench, unscrew this oil filter, and be careful. You're going to want to have another pan underneath because oil will spill out of it. But you take it off, so after you get your old one off, keep it upright because there's still oil down in this filter. But when you're going to put the new one back on, you want to take a little bit of oil and rub it around this gasket right here. After you do that, screw it back in, tighten it down, and you're ready to go. So that's very simple. Now when it's draining oil, I have it on a kickstand right now. You're going to want to tilt it upright so that all the oil can drain out. This might take 5-10 minutes. It's kind of cold outside right now, and I'm in my garage, so it doesn't have a lot of heat, so it might take a little bit longer. Alright, so it's pretty much done. Just a couple drips coming out. Before you put this plug back in, make sure you clean it off. So this plug, actually, it's not threaded, so it doesn't twist or twist out. It just kind of push or pull back over there. But I was twisting it because it was helping it come out. You just slide that plug back all the way up till it stops. It does have a stopper on it. And then replace the clamp. Tighten the clamp down. You might have to work with it as tight as you can. There you go. Now we're gonna put the oil back in. Got the dog and the cat down here helping me. Cat's ready to ride. Dog's ready to eat the cat. Oil's gonna go right there. Just pour it in. Like I said, probably 3.5 quarts. If you have a gallon like me, once you get towards the bottom of the gallon, you want to start checking the oil level. This one actually has markings telling you how many quarts you've used. I'm just gonna go by that till I probably get about, I'm gonna go with 2.5 quarts down. So I'm about 2.5 quarts down. Now you want to crank it and check the oil light, see if it comes on. Place the cap, twist it on, push it down. Now that you got your oil in, you want to crank it and see if the oil light comes on and goes off. So that's actually the gas light right there. I don't have a lot of gas in it, but I didn't see the oil light or anything come on. So we're gonna check the oil level real quick, just to make sure. So take this back off. It says check oil hot. I don't know if you can really see that, but anyways, so we're gonna check it real quick. And it's hard to see, but it's about midway, so we're gonna add a little bit more. As long as the oil is above the add line right here and below this one, you're good. And like, so it was at halfway, and you don't want to fill it all the way up to this line when it's not hot, because the oil pressure while it's hot will make the level increase. So I was about halfway. I had just a little bit, probably a little less than half a quart. So now it's ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching. As always, ride safe and have a wonderful day.